I wanted to share a product I just received from Benchmark Abrasives, and it's an accessory to their Benchmark Abrasives Grinder Hood. I've had this about a year now. Really nice grinder hood. I really like it. Good visibility. You can wear a respirator in it, and you can wear earmuffs. Anyway, it comes with a clear visor. The accessory is a grinder kit. Really what it is you can get these different shade shields. So if you want to use it for grinding, or you want to, what I'm wanting to do is use it for plasma cutting. And you can order these in several different packages with different shades. I got a 3 and a 5. This 3 has this type of fixture on the edge, and that's just to replace the shield that's actually in the hood. This one does not have that. It's just smooth, but it's got 2 holes up here on the top. And that's for this flip-up visor kit. And I'll show you a little better picture of that when I get these parts out so you can see them better. All you need to install this is a small Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. It does not come with any installation instructions, so when you first get it, you're looking at it trying to figure out how this all goes together. So we're going to go through that in this video. Right at the top of the shield, there's a little cap there, and that's what I think you need this small skinny screwdriver for, is to pop that little cap out of there. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Just wedge it down underneath the edge and see if I can pop it out of there. And there it goes, but it did come out. And then there's 2 holes on one on each side for the flip up portion, and the spring will go down in there. And this cap has an arrow, shows up, and then kind of a groove. Not really sure exactly how that goes, but I think the spring goes behind that cap, but then that cap fits down in that hole with the arrow up, so the angle is correct. And that just keeps a little spring pressure on the back of this mechanism, so when it's open it'll pop up and stay up, and then you fold it down, it pushes that spring in and it'll flip down. Then I'm going to have to really push on this and hopefully it doesn't break. But you can look at the bottom of that piece and see those little brass inserts with the threads. Put that facing down toward the shield, and these have a little angle on the edge of them, so you can pop that in there. I'm going to try to pop one side in first and press the other one in. Boy, that is tight. Alright, I had to wrestle around with that for a little bit. Wow, I stuck one side in and then just pressed the heck out of it on the other side, and I was worried about breaking it. It's just really, really tight. But it seems to be a pretty durable, flexible plastic. So just get one edge in, get the other one lined up, and then get yourself a lot of pressure and just press on it and it pops right in there. So that's the flip mechanism. And then we'll take these 2 screws, if I haven't lost them. Got one of them here. I'll find that other one, and then we'll screw this number 5 shield on there. And you want to put this on the outside, on the top, so then you can put your screws down through there, hopefully. And there's a little lip here on this bracket that the shield will fit underneath. That way you know you've got it in there properly. Yeah, at least one of them lined up. Get a screw in that one. And let's see if I can get the other side lined up. Yeah, it lines up if you got it all held together tight. So hopefully I can get it threaded in there. Now I haven't tightened them up, I'm going to peel the protective coating off both the front and the back so I can slide it out from underneath the bracket, and then I'll tighten it down. Probably should have peeled that off first. Now we'll tighten those down, and I think we'll be done. It looks like it's pretty good quality. They do have some threaded inserts there for the thread, so you're not just screwing into plastic or anything. There we go. Looks like that's a stop. That's as far up as it goes. You can flip it down. And it does have that spring-loaded deal to keep it up. So that is pretty nice. It's just a booger to get on there. Once it's on, it really is nice. I like it. See you on the next video.